Last year we processed 60 million bottles. This year we're looking at a little over 70. We're a growing company and we intend to keep going. Contractors and equipment are heavily utilised. They need to be in a growing business. We can't develop the expertise quickly enough ourselves, and it's not our core business. What we do is look at the equipment and the service. Is it fit for purpose? And understand that the integration will occur completely with a positive result and without any negative influences on the rest of the business. What we found is for neck tag application, our previous attempts had been governed by buying a neck tag from one supplier and an applicator from another supplier. In this particular case, Realtek came to us with a solution that was a combination of both the tag and the application, which meant they had ownership of the whole process. We simply implemented it onto our line and we've run with it. We have two main bottle sizes and we have very little problem adjusting between them. Basically the function performs quite well. Certainly the quality of engineering that we have seen for this application has been very, very high. Compared to other engineering and that which would be imported, this is the first applicator of this type that we have ever seen. So it's groundbreaking, it's innovation coming out of Australia, and I definitely recommend talking to Realtek. Promotions are a fact of life, and in the past, to do a promotion like the one we're currently running, we would have to employ additional people and have a lot of manual input into the process. We've had application rates of 99%, but because of the design of the neck tag, a lot of them would fall off the bottle due to the accumulation on our conveyor system. With this system, the benefit has come from the fact that the collar stays put and the amount of losses are absolutely minimal. The speed is at line speed, we don't have to slow down to run, and we don't need people doing a lot of manually unacceptable tasks trying to apply those collars.